Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss MI paper solution for class 6th for stage 2, which was held on 16 November 2025, part 1st, that is physics. So let's start the solution with question number 1st. So in question number 1st, a bar magnet is cut exactly 1/3 of its length. One end into two pieces. A is shorter and B is longer. Which statement is correct about their pole strengths? So the options are: A has greater pole strength than B, B has greater pole strength than A, both have equal pole strength but different magnetic moment, and D option is both have equal magnetic moment and equal pole strength. So student, we know that first A is a magnet is cut into 1/3. A is shorter, so let's take total length is L, so part A is L by 3 and the remaining is part B, that is L minus L by 3, so that is 2L by 3. So B is longer and A is shorter. And we know that the formula of magnetic moment is M into L. So part A has M, L is L by 3, and magnetic moment for part B is M, length of B. So B part have length, that is 2L by 3. So M into 2L by 3. So from this conclusion we can say that B has more magnetic moment. So A and B, both the parts have different magnetic moment but they have equal pole strength. So our correct option is option number C for question number 1st. Let's move to the another one, that is question number 2. So in question number 2, a steel needle just sink in water, yet it is used to as a floating magnet in a compass bowl when placed on a leaf. The primary reason of floats is, so option A is magnetism reduce weight. No, that is absolutely incorrect. Option B is surface tension supports the needle if loads is spread by the leaf. Yes, this is the correct answer for question number 2. So B is the correct answer. Next moves to the next question, that is question number 3. So in question number 3, a runner on a straight track completes first 50 meter in 10 seconds and the next 50 meter in 8 seconds. What is the best description of the runner's motion? So options are uniform motion, periodic motion, rectilinear motion with constant velocity, and non-uniform motion. So first we will find the speed 50 meter in 10 seconds, that is 5 meter per second, and next 50 meter in 8 seconds, that is 6.25 meter per second. So we can say that from this conclusion the motion of runner is non-uniform. So our correct option is option number D for question number 3. Let's move to the another question, that is question number 4. So in question number 4, a 50 meter ruler has its zero and chipped off. You measure a pencil by placing its left hand at 3.2 centimeter mark and right hand at 17.9 centimeter mark. So we have to find its length. So 17.9 centimeter minus 3.2 centimeter. So we have, that is 7.14 centimeter. So our correct option is option number B for question number 4. Let's move to the another one, that is question number 5. So in question number 5, we have to find which statement is true and which one is false. So let's start. Heating a magnet strongly and allowing it to cool randomly can reduce its magnetism. Yes, it is true. Stroking a steel strip with alternate poles in random order is an efficient way to magnetize is no, that is false. Earth's magnetic field is strongest at magnetic equator, no, it is weakest. So our correct option is TFF. So option number C will be the correct answer for question number 5. Let's move to the another one. That is question number 6. So question number 6 is based on match the column. So we have to match column first with column second. So first is odometer reading of a car. So odometer reads distance traveled. So P is matched with third. Simple pendulum time period. So simple time period, pendulum time period is repeated periodic motion. So first, speedometer needle. So speedometer needle show instantaneous speed. A car driving in traffic is 2. That is non-uniform motion. So our correct sequence for question number 6 is 3, 1, 4, 2. So our correct option is option number C for question number 6. Let's move to the another one. That is question number 7 and 8. 7 and 8 just because they are based on same paragraph. So for question number 7, let's start the paragraph. The paragraph is a scientist designed an experiment to compare the motion of 3 different objects: a pendulum bob, a rolling ball, and a moving car. The pendulum bob complete one swing to and fro in exactly 2 seconds, while the ball rolled down sloping surface covering unequal distance in equal intervals of time. The car toy moved on a straight, smooth surface covering equal distance in equal interval of time. So in question number 7 is which of the following correct match each type of motion with objects. So in option A, pendulum non-uniform, no, this is an incorrect. Pendulum periodic, yes. Ball non-uniform. Why? Just because it cover unequal distance in equal interval of time. So this is correct. For car, uniform motion, yes, this is correct. So our correct option is option number B for question number 7. That is question number 8. So in question number 8, if the time period of the pendulum is increased, which of the following change must have been made? So student, we know that the formula of time period is 2 pi under root L by G. So option A is the length of pendulum string was decreased. No, that is incorrect, because we will increase the time period of the pendulum. If we increase the T, what will the length of pendulum is decreased? No, T is directly proportional to under root L. Option B is the pendulum bob was made of heavier. No, this is also incorrect. The length of pendulum increase, yes. So C will be the correct answer for question number 8. Let's move to the another one. Okay, let's move to the another question. So in question number 9, we have multiple choice type question. So there will be more than one option can be correct. So in question number 9, we have to find incorrect about uniform motion of a body. So option A is average speed over any equal interval of time is same. The statement is true for uniform motion. Distance time graph is a straight line through origin. Yes, it is also true because of there is uniform motion. Speedometer needle must be perfectly still at 1 mark. Yes, this is also true because there we have uniform motion. Odometer increases non-linearly with the time. No, this is false. Odometer increases linearly with time for uniform motion. So there is only D option is incorrect. So our correct option is option number D for question number 9. Let's move to the another one. That is question number 10. So in question number 10, which of the following statements are correct about magnets and magnetic field properties. So this is also multiple choice type question. So there will be more than one option can be correct. So in option number first, soft iron is preferred for electromagnet. Yes, that is true. Like poles can attract in some cases. No, this is false. Magnetic field lines never cross each other. Yes, this is also true. Freely suspended magnet lines roughly north and south. Yes, this is also true. So our correct options is for question number 10 are A, C and D. So these are the solution of part physics. I hope you get your answers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Matrix Olympiad channel. Now here we are discuss about the solution of the subject chemistry MOF paper solution for class 6 stage 2. So let's begin with the first question. Now the first question is the method used to separate a mixture of mustard seeds and wheat flour. So we have a mixture of mustard seeds and wheat flour. So we can see the mustard seeds have particle size is big than wheat flour. So when the different in size particle, we use sieving, because in winnowing heavier and lighter particles in hand picking use in a small quantity, and threshing is used to separate stalks from the grain. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Now come to the next question. A student is given 4 objects: a plastic scale, a steel spoon, a wooden ruler and a glass rod. Which property can be used to group the steel spoon and the glass rod together? Now we see the options. A, magnetic property, no. Solubility in water, no. Hardness, yes. And electric conductivity, no. So the option C is the right answer for this question. Now come to the next question. Which word means able to be broken easily? Matlab we have to find a word that means able to be broken easily. Brittle, yes. Hard, no. Elastic, obvious not. And tough is not. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Now come to the next question. An object is found to float in water but sink in kerosene. This implies that we have object that float on water but sink in kerosene. It means its density is different. So density of object is float in water, means density object is less than density of water but sink in kerosene, but more than density of kerosene. So the correct answer is the density of object is less than water but more than kerosene. That's why option A is the correct answer of this question. Now come to the next question. Which of the following statement are true or false? So we have 3 statements. We have to check which is true, which is false. So rubber is a non-metal, yes, and a good electric insulator. So this statement is true. Metals are generally hard and can be hammered without breaking, right? Because metals are malleable, so they can be hammered without breaking. So it is true. All metals are magnetic. No, only some metals are magnetic. So this statement is false. So answer is true, true and false. So option C is the right answer for this question. Now come to the next. Match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Column 1, PQRS. First, use of sieve in a flour mill. To separate heavier and lighter substance? No. To separate large and small particles? To remove iron materials? No. To get dissolved solid bake. So we can match P with option 2. Winnowing by farmers in Q. To separate heavier and lighter particles, because we know by the help of wind, lighter particles are separate away and heavier particles are settled down. So for Q, option first. Now come to the R. Using magnet in West separation. We know magnet have power to attract iron. So R is third. Now come to the S. Evaporation of salt solution to get dissolved solid bake. So PQRS means option is 2, 1, 3, 4 and 2, 1, 3, 4 in option A. So option A is the correct answer of this question. Now come to the next question. Paragraph for question 17 and 18. A chef is preparing a fresh fruit salad. She peels and chops various fruits. Later she realizes she has accidentally including some rotten pieces. She also noticed that the fruit has become too watery after washing. She needs to serve a dry and fresh salad. Now read the question. To remove the excess water from the washed fruit, which method would be most suitable? So we have mixture of fruit plus water means solid plus liquid. First option, winnowing. No, winnowing is used in the solid-solid mixture. Sieving is also used in a solid-solid mixture. Now we have option C and D, decantation and evaporation. We know decantation and evaporation both are used in a solid-liquid mixture, but we all know evaporation is used in a soluble solid from water. Of fruits, we have that solid that is insoluble. So option C is the right answer for this question. Now come to the next. Why did the heavier particles settle at the bottom? Due to magnetic force? No. Because of sieving? No. Due to gravity? Yes, because we know gravity is a force that particles, heavy particles settle at the bottom because they float? No. So option C is the right answer for this question. Now come to the next question. What is the primary reason plastics are grouped separately from metals? We have to separate plastic and metals, both are each other. Plastic conduct electricity, obvious, not. Plastics are non-conductor of heat, right? Plastics are non-metallic and poor conductor of electricity, right? Plastics are not element, right? So option B, C, D is the right answer for this question. Now come to the next question. What is the main principle behind the process? We have show a diagram in this question. So first we have to find which process is shown in the diagram. Distillation. This is the diagram of the distillation process. Or distillation is used to separate two miscible liquids. Two miscible liquids and difference in their boiling point. Difference in their boiling point. So now check the option. Difference in density? No. Liquids are miscible? Yes. Difference in boiling point? Also correct. Difference in melting point? No. So option B and C is the right answer for this question. Now these are the solution of the subject chemistry for class 6. And for more update, kindly subscribe the channel and thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुंच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुंचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी आईडी पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 6th biology. Let's start first question for biology. Which of the following statements does not hold true for the given plant? And in diagram, given plant is Vallisneria aquatic plant and Hydrilla aquatic plant. Option A, root are either absent or very poorly developed, right? Stomata are present only the upper surface of leaves to facilitate gas exchange, wrong, because deeply present in water, so inside the water stomata absent. So option B is wrong for given plants. Body tissue has numerous air space for float and leaves either ribbon-like divided to prevent them from getting torn. These are the right, but B not suit for these plants. Option B. Option B is right. Next. The surrounding where organism live, that is called habitat, which help living things survive in their surrounding, called adaptation. And there are some changes that can happen in an organism over a short period of time, help them adjust to the changes in their surrounding. These changes are called acclimatization. So according to these terms, option A, habitat, acclimatization, adaptation, terrestrial habitat and acclimatization, habitat, adaptation, acclimatization, that is in C. Option C is right for this question. Next question is, dash are the plant with hard brown stem with branches arising near the base of the stem, and dash of option A, herb are the plant with hard, no, shrub, climber, tree, neem and banyan tree on the base of stem, no. So shrub are the plants with hard and brown stem with branches arising near the base of the stem. Lemon and rose, right? That is right. Option B. Option B is right, because branches arising near the base of rose and lemon. So option B is right. Next, which of the following are rich source of vitamin B12? Groundnut, no. Cod liver, no. Fish, meat and egg, yes. Option C. Option C is right for vitamin B12. Next, which of the following statement is true or false? Statement first, in reticulate venation, veins are arranged in the form of network. In this case, veins are present in network. So statement first is true. A water lily is a submerged aquatic plant. No. Wrong. Floating plant. So this statement is wrong. Next, reticulate venation is present in the leaves of basil, rose and China rose. That is right. So our right answer is true, false, true. In option B is right for this question. Next, match the column first and second regarding vitamin B deficiency and excess body fat, deficiency surface, excess loss of water. Yes, first of all, B1 deficiency relate with berry. So second, caused excess excess body fat relate with obesity, that is in 3, and condition caused by deficiency of surface, that is constipation 1, and excess loss of water from body relate with dehydration 4. 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4. Option number D. D is right for this question. Next, paragraph based question. X and Y to different category of the energy giving food. X is often referred to as the energy supplier, where Y is called energy bank. So identify X and Y. X and Y. X wheat, no, and Y energy bank. In option D, rice and butter are two different category. Rice is often referred to energy supplier and Y is energy bank. So option D is right for this question. Next, select the option that correctly identify Y obtained from plant and animal source respectively. In last question, Y is butter, it's mean fat or oil obtained from plant, groundnut, sunflower, but in animal ghee. So option B, groundnut oil and ghee. Option B, these are the energy bank. So option B is right. Next question, which of the following statement are correct for given food item? Given food item is yummy kheer. So according to options, the ingredient used to prepare this food obtained from both plant and animal. Yes, rice and milk. The major nutrient in this food are carbohydrate and protein. Right. This food is also source of vitamin C. No. Vitamin C present in citrus fruit, not in milk, not in rice. The ingredient sourced from plant is actually a seed. Yes, rice is a seed. So in multiple choice, A, B and D is right for this question. Next, which of the following is our structural adaptation? Camels have long eyelashes to protect their eyes from the dust storm. That is right. Some animals migrate from less favorable to more favorable places in search of food and to escape harsh weather. No. Every time they not move. The stem of the cactus become fleshy to store water and perform photosynthesis, right? Some aquatic plant have reduced root system and dissected ribbon-like leaves in Vallisneria and Hydrilla. So, according to statements A, C and D, right answer for this question. These are the all solution for biology. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Matrix Olympiad. So today we discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 6th stage 2 for mathematics subject. So let's start. So here we have question number 31st, that is, if x is negative, then check which of the following is neither negative nor positive. Neither negative nor positive, it means 0. So we have to check which, when we simplify all these options, so which one we get answer that is 0. So x is negative, so when we put here negative, so here we get that is positive, again here we get positive, so positive plus positive, here we get 2x. This one is not 0, so this one is not possible. So if I talk about the second, if here x is negative, so here minus x minus bracket x, so here we get that is minus 2x, so this one is not possible. So if I talk about the third, C, if x is negative, so I can write minus x is negative plus x is negative, so minus minus plus, so here we get 0, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question on solving this expression to its simplest form. So here we have all are in the form of mixed fraction, so just we have to first simplify it. So we know 14 7 ja, here when we simplify it, we know 14 7 ja, here we get 8, 98, 98 plus 2 upon 7, that is 100 upon 7, multiply sign, here we know 25 to ja 50, and 50 plus 6, that is 56 upon 25, multiply, when we simplify 2 to ja 4, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2, multiply, 5 3 ja 15, 15 and 1, 16 upon 5. So we know 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, 5 to 5 cancel out, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, and 7 1 ja 7, 7 8 ja. So here we can write 4 multiply 8 8 ja 64, so 4 4 ja 16, carry 1, 6 4 ja 44, 24, 24 and 1, 25. So the solution of this is 256. It means option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is, in a class test containing 25 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Okay, Rahul attempt all the questions, but only 12 of his questions are correct. It means the correct questions, that is CQ, it means 12. It means the wrong question, it means QR, that is 13. So marks for correct question, that is 12 multiplied by 4. So 12 4 ja 48, and marks for incorrect question or wrong question, that is 13 multiplied by 2, that is minus 20, sorry 13 2 ja 6, so 26. So when we simplify it, here we have to find the total score. So marks for correct questions, marks for incorrect questions. So when we simplify it, here we get 2 and here we get 2, that is 22. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is, a cuboidal tank is 25 meter long, 12 meter wide and 6 meter deep. So here we have given length, breadth and height of a tank. So length here we have given, that is 25 meter, wide, breadth here we have given 12 and height here we have given 6 meter. Find the cost of plastering its wall and bottom at 75 paisa per square meter. So before finding the cost, we have to find the area where we want to plaster. So area for plastering, that is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL minus LB. So I can write here 2 bracket 25 multiply 12 plus 12 multiply 6 plus 6 multiply 25 minus here we have 25 multiply by 12. So I can write here 2 multiply 25 2 ja 50, that is here we have 300 plus 12 6 ja 72 plus here we have to simplify, that is 150 minus, when we simplify it again here we get that is 300. So when we simplify, when we transfer here, so I can write here 300 multiply by 2 600, 72 multiply by 2 that is 144. Here we get 300 minus 300, so 300 to 300 cancel out. Here we area that is 744 meter square and the cost is 75 paisa. So here we have to multiply just 75, and to convert paisa in the form of rupees we have to just divide it by 100. So the answer that is we get that is 558 rupees. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is if 37 upon 13 is equal to 2 plus 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C, where A, B and C are natural numbers, then which of the following are the values of A, B and C respectively? So just before simplifying it we have to just simplify this part. Okay, so I can write here A plus 1 upon, when we take here when we simplify it, BC plus 1, so I can write here BC plus 1 upon C. So C here we transfer here, so A plus C upon 1 plus BC. Again when we simplify it we can say that A plus ABC plus C upon 1 plus BC. So I can write here 2 plus 1 plus BC upon A plus ABC plus C. So here I can say that 2A plus 2ABC plus 2C plus 1 up plus BC upon A plus ABC plus C is equal to 37 upon 13. Okay, so according to, we can put the value of A, B and C using options. So if I put the value of A, B and C 1, 5 and 2 respectively, so here we get 1 plus 5, 1 ja 5, 5 and 2 10 plus the value of C here we get 2. So it means here we get that is 13. So here we have in denominator 13. So I can say that option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is find the arithmetic mean and median of the first 7 natural number. So we know arithmetic mean, that is sum of all observations, that is 7 natural numbers 6 and 7, and divided by total number of observations, that is 7. So when we simplify it, when we add all these numbers, so here we get 28 upon 7, so that is 4. And we have to find median. So for median we know 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are the natural numbers, and all these numbers, all these observations are already arranged in ascending order. So one, this one to this one, this is the cancel out, and the middle term, that is 4. So I can write median is 4. So here we have arithmetic mean is 4 and median is also 4. So option number A is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is how many number of line segment are in the given figure. So just we have to find the line segment. So line segment, that is here we have AB, AC, AD, DE, AE, BC, BE and EC. So check how many line segment are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we can say that AE is already counted. Okay, done. BD is not count. Okay, so here I can write BD, and last, that is CD. So total line segment are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means 10. Option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is in a scalene triangle, one side exists the other two sides by 4 cm and 5 cm respectively. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 cm and we have to find the area of this triangle. So let's the first side be x, then second side here we get x minus 4, and the third side here we get that is x minus 5, and we have to find, here we have given that is perimeter which is 36 centimeters. So we know perimeter is equal to sum of full side, that is x plus x minus 4 plus x minus 5, that is 36. So I can write here x plus x, here we have 3x minus 9 is equal to 36, and the value of 3x is equal to 36 plus 9, that is 45. So when we simplify it, the value of x here we get that is 45 upon 3, that is x equal to 15. So the sides are 15, 11, 10. We have to find the area. For area we can use Heron's formula. So first we have to find the semi perimeter, that is S. So 15 plus 10 plus 11 upon 2. So 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 11, that is 36. So here 36 upon 2, that is 18. So we can use formula, that is under root of 18 bracket S minus A. It means 18 minus 15, 18 minus 11 and 18 minus 10. So I can write under root 18 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply 8. Okay, so again I can write 9 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 7 multiply 4 multiply 2. So we know the root of 3, that is 3. The root of 9, we know the root of 9, that is 3. Multiply the root of 4, that is 2. Multiply the root of 2 and 2, here we get that is again 2. And under root, here we get 7 3 ja 21. So 2 2 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12. So here we get 12 under root 21, that is the area of scalene triangle. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which of the following statement are true and false? So this question is based on statement. So the first, here we have the successor of this one is this. So we know 0 multiply minus 52, the result we get that is 0, and 1 multiply minus 52, here we get that is minus 52. So this one is not the successor. So this statement is false. Okay, second, integers are closed under division. No, this one is also false. Next, minus 20 multiply 5 minus 3. So when we multiply, when we subtract it, here we get plus 2 and here we have minus 2. So I can say this one is also false. Next, minus 2 plus minus 9, that is here we get minus 11, which is less than minus 9 minus plus 2, that is minus 7. Yes, this one is true. So the correct option is false, false, false and true. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about the next question, which is again based on true and false statement, and the question is, in all numbers in a data set are the same, then mean, median and mode will also the same. So let we take a data set, that is number is 2, 2 and 2, and all numbers are same. So here we get mode, that is 2. If we talk about the median, which is also 2, and if I talk about the mean, that is sum of all observations, that is 6 upon number of 3. It means which one is also 2. So this statement is true. Second, the median is always one of the number in a data set. No, this one is false. In a data set, mode is always less than the mean. No, this one is not possible. This one is also false. And last, in a single data set can have one or more than one mode. Yes, this one is true. So the correct answer is true, false, false, true. So true, false, false, true. It means option number B is the correct options over here. So now if I talk about the next question, that is in a triangle ABC, here we have column 1, and in a triangle ABC, if angle A equal to 30 degree and angle B equal to 50 degree, then we have to find the angle C. We know in a right angle triangle, in any triangle, the sum of interior angle is 180 degree. So we have to find the angle C, which is equal to 180 degree minus 50 plus 30, that is 80 degree. So the value of angle C here we get, that is 100 degree. So P is connected to 100 degree is 3. So I can write here P is connected to 3. So next if I talk about the Q, in triangle ABC, BC extended to D, and if angle ABC equal to 90 degree and angle BAC equal to 40 degree, then angle ACD. So let's assume this is a triangle and BC is extend till D. This one is A. So angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. This one is 90 degree, and BAC, this one is 40 degree. And we have to find the angle ACD. ACD and this one. It means we have to, for this angle, the sum of these two angles is equal to this one. So 90 plus 40 degree, that is 130 degree. So 130 where? Here. It means Q is connected to 1. So I can write here Q is connected to 1. So if I talk about the R, the greatest measure of an angle in a right angle triangle is, so we know the greatest measure of angle in a right angle triangle is 90 degree. So R is connected to 2. So here I can write R is connected to 2. And last, that is S. In triangle ABC, angle A equal to X, angle B equal to 2 times of angle X, and angle C equal to 3 times of angle X. So let's angle A here we have given, that is X. Angle B, that is the 2 times of angle A, that is 2x, and angle C is equal to the 3 times of angle A, that is 3x. And we know the sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. So 3, 2, 5, 5 and 1, 6x is equal to 180 degree. So the value of x here we get 180 divided by 6, that is 30 degree. And here S is connected to 4. So I can write S is connected to 4. So the correct option is 3, 1, 2, 4. So 3, 1, 2, 4. It means option number C is the correct answer over here. If I talk about the next question, which is again based match the column. So here we have column 1 and here we have column 2, and select the correct answer using the code given below. So first we have to just simplify column 1. So in column 1, first we have P. So we can write here P, that is 4 and 3 by 10. So that is we can write 4.3 minus 1 point, we can write 1 and 2 by 5, 1.4 plus here we can write 8.1. Okay. So when we simplify it, we get, that is 3 plus 1, 4, 8 and 3, 12.4 minus 1.4, that is approx 11. So it means approx 11 this one. So P is connected to 4. So I can write here P is connected to 4. So next if I talk about the Q, that is 0.25 plus 9.81 multiply 6.4 plus 4 and 1 by 9. So 4 and 1 by 9 we can write 4.11. So when we simplify it, we get answer that is 67.145 approx. Okay. So it means Q is connected to 3. So I can write here Q is connected to 3. If I talk about the R, that is here we have 6 and 1 by 3. So here I can write 6.33 minus here we have 4 and 7 by 9 multiply 0.8. So here I can write 4.77 multiply 0.8 plus here we have 4.32. Okay, so I can write here 6.33 minus 3.816 plus 4.32. So again, when we simplify it, we get answer that is 6.83. So it means R is connected to 1. So here I can write R is connected to 1. And last, here we have S. So here 2 and 7 by 12. So I can write here 2 and 7 by 12, that is 2.583 plus here we have 5 by 9. So I can write here 5 by 9, that is 0.555 minus here when we multiply this, so I can write here 93.450. So when we simplify it, we get answer that is 90.31. It means S is connected to 2. So here S is connected to 2. So the correct option is 4312. 4312. It means option number D is the correct answer over here. If I talk about the next question, which is based on paragraph, and the paragraph is Vansika, who is maths teacher of class 6, takes surprise test on perimeter and area. She drew a figure on a blackboard. Okay, and this figure is in the form of rectangle. And based on the above figure, answer the following questions. And the question is find the value of AE. And this one is the AE. So we know in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. It means the sum of 24 plus 8, which is equal to 20 plus AE. So we can say that the value of AE is equal to 24 plus 8 minus 20. So here I can write 4 plus 8, that is 12. So the value of AE here we get that is 12. Okay. Next question, which is again based on same paragraph, and in last question we have to simplify AE, which is 12. Now what is the area of triangle AEB? AEB. So we know area of triangle AEB, that is 1 by 2 base multiply height. So 1 by 2 here base, that is 12, and height, that is 16. So when we simplify it, 2 into 2, 2 8 is 16, that is 12 multiplied by 8, that is 8 to 16, carry 1, that is 96 centimeter square. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, which is again based on paragraph, and the question is in which year the difference between the sales of 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers is lowest. So if I talk about the 2023, the difference here we get 6.6 minus 5.7, that is 0.9. And in 2004, the difference here we get that is 7.3 minus 6.5. Here we get that is 0.8. If I talk about the 2005, the difference we get 8.1 minus 6.6. So here we get 1.5. Next in 2006, the difference we get 10 minus 8.2. It means 1.8. So here we have to find the lowest. So lowest, this one. So the year is 2004. So now if I talk about the next question, which is again based on same paragraph, and the question is find the ratio between the number of vehicles sold in the year 2004 and in the year 2006. So in 2004, the number of vehicles sale of 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers, that is in 2004, that is 7.3 and 6.5, and in 2006, that is 10 plus 8.2. So when we simplify it, here we get 8 point, here we get 13, and here we get 18.2. So point to point cancel out. So here I can write 138 upon 182. When we simplify it, we get 69 upon 91. So 69/91, it means option number B is the correct answer over here. So if I talk about the next question, that is a set of integers satisfied which property under multiplication. So under multiplication, we can say that integers are satisfied under closed, okay. Under commutative, this one is also correct. Associative is also correct, and distributive of multiplication over addition, this one is also correct. It means for this question, option number A, B, and C and D all are correct. So now if I talk about the next, identify the option where 3 and 2 by 5 is equal to. So 3 and 2 by 5 we can write here 3 plus 2 by 5, and also we can write here 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 2, 17/5. So we can say that 3 plus 2 by 5, this one is also correct, and 17/5, this one is also correct. So for this question, option number C and D are the correct answer. So now if I talk about the next question, that is a pie show timeline of daily activities, that is 24 hours. Here sleep, that is 8 hours, school 6 hours, play 4 hours, study at home 6 hours. So which statement are true? Sleep occupies 1/3 of the circle, and here we have sleep 8 and total that is 24 hours. So 8/24, that is 1/3. Yes, this one is true. School occupied 90-degree sector. Okay, school, here we have 6 hours. So 6/24. To find angle, we have to multiply by 360. So 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. So upon 4, that is 90 degree. Yes, this one is also true. Play is equal to 1/6 of the day. So here we have play, that is 4. So 4/24, that is 1/6 of the day. This one is also true. And last, study at home is equal to same time as school. So study at home 6 hours, school time 6 hours. Yeah, this one is also true. It means for this question, A, B, C and D all are correct. So now if I talk about the next question, 16% can be expressed as. So here we have 16%, we can express in the form of fraction, we can express in the form of decimals, okay, and we can also convert in the form of ratios. So we can convert in fraction form, we can convert in decimal form, we can convert in ratio. It means option number C, B and A, all these three are the correct answer for this question. So if you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. If any student have any type of query or doubt in the answer key provided to you for Matrix Olympiad paper solutions, यानी कि अगर किसी विद्यार्थी को लगता है कि उसको जो आंसर की मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड पेपर की दी गई है या वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस में उसको डाउट लगता है कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, कुछ और होना चाहिए था, तो इस स्थिति में आप अपनी क्वेरी को कुछ इस तरीके से हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। सबसे पहले आप मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड की वेबसाइट पर लॉगिन कीजिए। जैसे ही आप अपनी आईडी पे लॉगिन करेंगे तो लॉगिन करने के बाद जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, आपको यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड में एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, दैट इज आस्क ओलंपियाड डाउट्स। जैसे ही आप इस टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे वैसे ही यहाँ पर ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। इधर ऑप्शन में एग्जाम नेम रहेगा, लास्ट में यहाँ क्वेश्चंस लिखा है, आप क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे यहाँ पर आपको सब्जेक्ट वाइज सारे क्वेश्चंस शो हो जाएंगे विद द करेक्ट आंसर। अब मान लीजिए आपको किसी क्वेश्चन की आंसर की में या आंसर पे डाउट है, आपको क्वेरी रेज करनी है, तो आप यहाँ पर राइट साइड में आस्क का डाउट बटन है, इस पर क्लिक करेंगे। जैसे ही आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ एक और विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा। इस विंडो में आप यहाँ पर उस क्वेश्चन को भी देख सकते हैं क्लिक करके, या फिर यहाँ पर आप जो भी आपको डाउट है वो यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं और जैसे ही आप सबमिट क्वेश्चन करेंगे ये क्वेरी हम तक पहुँच जाएगी, जिसका जवाब हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स बहुत जल्द आप तक पहुँचा देंगे, जिसको आप इसी ID पर लॉगिन करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here to discuss the paper solution of of Stage 2 Logical Reasoning section of class 6th. So let us start our solution with the first question, which is we have question number 51. There are 49 students in the class and A is 17th from the top. A is 17th from the top and B is 11th from the bottom, from the top and from bottom. So and C is exactly between them. How many students are there between B and C? So the total number of students which is sitting on the with A and B is 17 and 11, which is equals to minus 28, it will be 21. So there are 21 students between C and between A and B, and C is exactly between them. So out of 21, C is exactly mid of the 21 student. It will be sitting on the option number. It will be sitting on the option position number 10. So option number B is the right answer of this question. So now let's move to the next question. In next question, we have sequence of 4 friends age group. So it is stating that Naveen and Naren have a equal age. Naren and Naveen have a equal age as they are twins, and Nakul is younger than Naren. Nakul is younger than Naren. So Naren is older than Nakul. Next it is stating that Priyanka is younger than Baljit. Priyanka is younger than Baljit but older than Naveen. Priyanka is younger than Baljit but older than Naveen. So here is the Priyanka. She is younger than Naveen. Sorry, older than Naveen but younger than Baljit. So out of them, who is the oldest among them? So Baljit is the oldest among all of them. Option number B is the right answer of our question. Now let's move to the next question. In this question, we have to find out the correct mirror image of our figure X. So if we want to recreate the mirror image of this figure, it will be like this. This part will be near to the mirror, and this part will be like this and far from the mirror. So our option number B is the right answer of this question. In next question, we have a direction problem which is stating that Ravi traveled 8 kilometer toward the south, then turns right. He traveled to the south for 8 kilometers and turns to the right. So if he take right turn, then he will go in the west direction, and from here he again turns to his right and moves for 8 kilometers. Here he get 4 kilometers. Now here he takes a right again. And moves for the 8 kilometer. He takes a right. So on right he will go at the direction of itself 8 kilometer. Now from here his right moves 8 kilometer forward. How many kilometer he is far from his starting point? Now how far he is from the starting point? He start from this point and now he reach at this point B. Suppose this point is B. So what is the distance between this point and starting point and point B is 4 kilometers. So our option number C is the right answer of this question. I hope you will get it. We will move to the next question. In this question, we have to choose the correct water image of the given combination of alphabets. So if we want to create the water image of all these alphabet, it will be like this. M will look like the and 3 will not be changed, and B will look like P. So our option C is the correct water image of this given combination. Now let's move to the next question. In next question, we have given an equation and we have to change the sign and numbers to make the equation correct. So if we take option number A and interchange the sign according it, we get 6 multiplied by 3 and then divided by the 2. If we solve this equation, we get 9, which is not equals to the 0. So option number A is not correct. If we go for the option number B, we have to interchange the multiply with the subtraction and 2 with the 6. So if we change multiply with the subtraction and divide for the divided by, we have to change the 2 and 6. We have to change 2 and 6. So 2 divided by 6 and minus minus 3, which is we have 0. So this equation will not be correct for the option number B. Now let's check the option number C. If we check option number C, it is not also not going to be correct. Let's check. If we interchange the divide with the multiply, we get 6 multiplied by 2 and divided by 3. If we solve this equation, we will not get 0. RHS and RHS is not equals to each other. Let's check the option number D. Let's check option number D. In option number D, we have to change multiply to the subtraction and 2 with the 3. Now let's change the sequence, multiply with the subtraction, and for divide we don't have to change anything. So 6 divided by, we have to change 2 for the 3, and multiply we have a subtraction. So if we solve this equation, we get 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0. So our LHS is equals to the RHS. So option number D is the right answer of this question. Let's move to the next question. In next question, we have given some option with some numbers and alphabet, and we have to change the alphabet with the given appropriate sign in the question. So, and check that which equation is correct for the given signs. So let's check our option number A. In option number A, we have 30. For R, we have to put addition. Then we have 6. Then for U, we have to put divide. Then next we have 2. Then for W, we have to put four. Then for T, we have multiply, and lastly we have 3. So if we solve this equation, we get 30 plus 3, which is greater than 4 multiply 3, which is 12. So 33 is always greater than 12. So our option number A is the correct answer of this equation. Now let's move to the next question. In this question, we have the difference of 12 and 3 is 9, and for 12 and 27 it will be 15, and the difference between 15 and 48 is 21, and the difference between 48 and 75 is 27. So the next difference will be of 33, because the difference is increasing by the 6 in each term. Difference is increasing by the 6 in each term. So if we add 33 in the 75, we get 108. So our option number A is the right answer of this question. Now let's move to the next question. In this question, we have to choose the correct unfolded form of the last given figure. So if we unfold the paper along with this axis, the correct mirror image of this part will be look like this, and if we unfold this along with this axis, the correct mirror image of this part will be look like this. So our option number D is the right answer of this question. Now for the next question. In this question, we have a alphanumeric series. So let's check out the pattern. If we go from 3 to 6, we have difference of 3. Then 6 to 11, we have difference of 5. Then from 11 to 19, we have difference of 8. And from A to C, we have pattern of plus 2, then plus 3, then plus 4. So nextly we have plus 5, and in G we get plus 5. We have 5 in 10, we get 15, and on 15 we have O. So in the only option B, we have O in the last, which is the right answer of this question. And if we check out the number pattern, increasing with the difference of 2, 3, then it will be like it will be of 4. So if we add 12 in the 29 we get 31. So option number B is the right answer of this question. Next, here we have done all the solution of paper M of stage 2. I hope you all understand it very well. If you have any query regarding the paper solution, you can go through our website and connect us with the WhatsApp. The link of WhatsApp group will be given in the description. So have a nice day. Please like and subscribe our channel for more update. Join our WhatsApp groups and go through our website. Thank you. Have a nice day.